This single-DIN unit combines a flip-out 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so everyday navigation, calls, and music feel much closer to a modern factory system. Integrated dash and rear cameras with wide viewing angles and night-friendly imaging make parking and recording your drives noticeably safer and more reassuring. Bluetooth pairing is straightforward, and the built-in microphone delivers clear, hands-free calls, while the stable frequency modulation tuner keeps local stations easy to enjoy. The retractable screen offers a sharp, high-definition picture for video and menus, then tucks away to save space and reduce visual clutter when you do not need it. Support for screen mirroring, a 10-band equalizer, and connections for subwoofers and amplifiers give this deck surprising flexibility for customizing sound and visuals in an older vehicle. Multiple inputs through universal serial bus, auxiliary, and secure digital card, along with standard single-DIN sizing and included wiring, make installation and daily use practical for most do-it-yourself owners.